Behind me is an $80,000 Kia. But I'm not gonna lie, it may be worth it, especially in this blue. You get these awesome looking headlights and hidden lights here that are fully customizable. And to make sure your battery stays cool, this has active aero. I don't even have to unlock the car. I just walk up to it, my door handles pop out, and then I get in. And if someone parks obnoxiously close to your vehicle, all I do is hold this button. Some people. Inside, I get a moonroof, mesh headrest, my seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging. I have ambient lighting here, my dash, integrated buttons in my dash. My screen works super fast. I get a digital display, head-up display, a mirror display. My steering wheel is heated with a drive mode selector. I get tons of storage space under there, more storage in there with hidden cup holders, a fingerprint reader to load my profile, and a wireless charging pad. On a full charge, this can do 270 miles, but it charges super fast. And while I'm waiting, I can literally lounge. You wanna get the door for me, bro? Please? Let's go. In the back, I get decent space, but if I fold these seats down, I get more space. And even more space up front. It's kind of small, though. My back seats are heated, ventilated with my own armrest. I get sunscreen shades, an area to hang coats with charging ports on the side. I have a pull-out tray with hidden storage space right underneath. I have adjustable headrests, a moonroof, but this is my favorite part. Long day at school. My third row gets vents, USB ports, cup holders, and I can recline.